Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change profile picture on Zoom Meeting mobile app. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Zoom Meeting application on my mobile phone, and after that, we're going to go to the More option, and then you can click on your Zoom's name right here. Okay, and this is my current profile photo or profile picture, and I'm going to change it. We can click on the profile photo, and here we can choose either we want to take a new photo or choose existing photo. And I'm just going to select choose photo, and I'm going to choose photo from my gallery. For instance, I'm going to use this photo. Okay, and I'm going to click on gallery. Okay, and you can choose the part that you want to use as your profile photo, and then click on done. Okay, and just wait. All right, and now as you can see that my profile photo has been changed. Alright guys, and that's all the way to change profile picture or profile photo on Zoom Meeting mobile app. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.